32 Marina, and today I'm going to take a quick look under Rogue. I'm going to check all the zincs out and just check how the bottom is doing. So here we go. So your R4s, the trim tabs, those zincs look great. They're brand new looking, they're really strong. Your zincs on the shafts, those things are getting worn down pretty badly, and there is a lot of growth all over the hull and all over the running gear. So I'm going to send this video off to Dane and have him follow up with you.